wish I could really heal your wounds with my kisses. I'd say I know how you feel, but baby, let me fix this. My medicine lips are working hard for you. They don't make you forget, they just make it bearable. Yeah. These days I have some friends that I have no time for, and some who don't have time for me, though we adore each other. Our lifelines don't intersect so frequently. And now I've been feeling like it's the biggest pity. Where do we go from here? 'Cause I don't want to forget about the places we've been. I've been gone for far too long, and I finally feel my heart sinking. No, I don't want to forget about the love that we give. It might hurt sometimes, but there's nothing better to believe in. I wish I could really heal your wounds with my kisses. I'd say I know how you feel, but baby, let me fix this. You say you've never been in love, which makes me want to fall for you. But if right now you need a friend, well, I could always be that too.
How about garden song? Okay.
I wanna feel the earth in my hands and the life in the darkness. I wanna start all my flowers from seed and hear the stories in the soil. I've got a garden, it's all I want, and I do not mind watering in the evening. I wanna feel that pull towards the ground while still floating in the breezes. I want to depend on the growth all around and the intrigue of the seasons Never say never, but rain in July is a gift from the sky, even if it just keeps the dust down. And I never used to pay attention at all to the way the rain falls or the trees and all of the beautiful little living things. The water is warmer where it is shallow. The fields, they are fuller where they grow fallow. Deadhead all summer, save seeds in the fall. Protect them all winter, in spring sow them all.
I maybe was going to play a song that I've never played live or in front of anyone.
In my wildest dreams, I've been walking at the river bar, walking at the river with you. Underneath the moon, no one would know where we are, barely touching hands. And like the little dreamers we are, we'd fall asleep in the sand. In my wildest dreams, you'd be walking down the sidewalk, I'd be driving in my car, and we'd catch each other's eye, and we'd wave so shy, and we'd both understand who you are, who I am. I would waste a lifetime hoping you might find me, in my wildest dreams, you would be asleep, and I'd enter in your mind, though we never met before. And when you'd wake up, you would feel in love without remembering my face or remembering my touch. I would wait a lifetime hoping you might find me, and I'll be the girl of your dreams, the girl of your dreams, the girl of your dreams, the girl of your dreams.
All right, this one has a little bit of French in it, but Dorothy can't judge it. Judge my French. To everyone else, it'll sound good, but.
I do not call you my own, but that doesn't bother me none. I know I love you for all the right reasons. I cannot get very far without you touching my heart. I never noticed how beautiful this is. Si tu me prends dans tes bras, il va me rendre plein d'espoir. Le monde, c'est parfois sombre, and I know sometimes I feel alone, but I float on this friendship. And if you didn't, that never ended. I hope that you see that this love is complete, and someday when we're free of our fears, I'll meet you here. Love is the light, is the breeze, but ours is a dormant seed trapped under snow. Will we let it grow? Have you been calling to me through some sort of telepathy? 'Cause if you're sending me notes with your thoughts, then I'm picking up the energy. I hope this won't seem like some sordid old dream, that someday when we're free of our fears, you'll meet me here.